Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the battery on your VW Golf key. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin, which will help you gently pry open the key fob. Crucially, have a fresh CR2032 3-volt button cell battery ready. This common battery powers many key fobs. Knowing your key's design, whether it's a flip key or a standard remote, will guide your next steps. Now, let's carefully open your key fob. Look for a small seam or a designated notch along the edge of the casing. If you have a flip key, begin by pressing the release button and removing the physical key blade first. This often reveals a hidden slot. Then, gently insert your small flathead screwdriver or coin into the seam and twist it slightly. You should hear a small click as the two halves begin to separate. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Using your small screwdriver or a fingernail, gently pry the old, depleted CR2032 battery out of its compartment. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and carefully insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear them click and snap securely shut all around the edges. If you removed the physical key blade, reinsert it now. Once reassembled, test all the remote functions, such as locking and unlocking the doors, to confirm your new battery is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.